Hi guys, this is a new arrival in Car City Inc. A beautiful 2006 Toyota Highlander, a base model, hybrid, four-wheel drive, very beautiful and clean, full-size SUV. And again, it is a hybrid. It's made in Japan, which is known for its quality. Very hard to find those beautiful SUVs. There are not a lot of them on the market, but we have one. And again, this one, as you can see, it's in very good condition. The body looks like brand new. The paint is great. The tires, the rims, all around, it's very nice and clean SUV. Let's look inside. It's actually, again, one of the cleanest cars for its age on the market. This is for sure. Just came from the detail. Look at the seats, beautiful, no problem at all. It's spotless, you know. The seats are in great shape. The interior has got the climate control over here. It's got radio, CD changer right there, alarm. Very clean car, very clean car. AC blows cold. 134,000 miles, which is, you know, nothing for these cars. And again, this one is, if you're gonna check right there, it's made in Japan, so all the hybrids are, you know, well built, and they, you know, they're unusual for 200,000 miles easily. The second row, again, looks like brand new. I don't think people use it a lot. I mean, because it's very clean. And the good thing about this one, here we go, we got the third row. Again, one more time, spotless, no problem. The car looks and drive great. Very beautiful hybrid SUV located at Car City Inc. in Palatine. This is our phone number, this is our website. Finance is available, extended warranty is available. This one for sure not gonna be here for a long time, so hurry up, you know, ring the bell, ring our phone number, check our website, and come here, pick up this beautiful hybrid SUV. The good thing about this one, the timing belt, the water pump been done by Toyota according to Carfax report, which is also clean. So ready to go. Any questions, call us, and yeah, we're here for you. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day, guys.